to OVTV. My name is Karthika Velkumar. Today I am going to show you how to make bread pizza. For this you need these things: chili sauce or tomato sauce, chicken cooked with button mushroom, pineapple, capsicums, oregano herbs, chili flakes, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, bread, butter. First spread butter on one side of a bread. Turn the breads. Spread tomato sauce or chili sauce depending on your preference. Then place a slice of cheese, after that add some cooked chicken, add some pineapples, and green capsicums. Sprinkle oregano, herbs, chili flakes, and mozzarella cheese. Place the pizza into the oven and bake it until the cheese melts. Normally it takes 8 to 10 minutes at 200 Celsius temperature. It's so delicious. Thank you. Have fun.